Welcome to another UniPhi training video. This video will explain how to save an email into a UniPhi issue. From Outlook, select the email that you would like to save into UniPhi, and then, click on the Save as Issue icon. The dialog box that appears is similar to UniPhi's new issue dialog box. Select the project that you want to append your email to. You can choose to create a new issue, or append an existing issue. Select the issue that you want to attach your email to. Select each of the appropriate details, such as category, rating, person, due date, etc. If the email has an attachment, click the Save Attachments checkbox. Click Save and Drill, and UniPhi will take you directly into your new issue. Notice that your email, and all of its attachments are now shown within your issue. Attachments can be opened, including the actual email file from Outlook. For more help, visit any of these support websites or call us for more info.